SMOK shows off their limitless skills with the Infinix Kit. The Infinix Kit is a pod mod style device that comes in at 110mm by 12.5mm by 11mm, has a watt range of 10 to 16 watts, and includes a USB charging cable, 2 pods, and an e-liquid fill bottle. Now the device itself is fairly discreet and lightweight, making it easy to lug around. Also, it fits quite comfortably in your hand, so you can stealthily vape without anyone being the wiser. Now you see me puffing? Now you don't. The Infinix is draw activated, so all you have to do is take a drag from the device and boom, clouds are on the way. The device has an LED indicator to inform you of when the device is activated, fully charged, and charging. And speaking of that, the device also has pass-through charging, so no need to wait, you can puff while tethered. Now on to the pods. The pods for the SMOK Infinix have a 2ml capacity and are rated for 1.4 ohms. Now, as you have most likely guessed, this means that the pods are built for and will undoubtedly shine when they are filled with nic salts, which is true. I was very happy with how smooth it draws with nic salt and how low the downtime is between filling and it being ready to go. What honestly surprised me was how great it was with normal e-liquids. I found myself puffing the night away and getting all the flavor in such a low-power device. To put it bluntly, the SMOK Infinix has now graduated to my favorite pod mod device. And once you give it a try, I have a feeling you'll think the same.
Hey guys, it's Emily at VapeWild. Be sure to click our button and subscribe to our channel, or you could watch more videos over here. Right there. Click one. You know you want to. Click it, click it, click it. Click it right now. Right now. Click it. Right now. I don't know what else to do.